welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. Alright, so I guess in the title, spooky season. I didn't really do much this spooky season, I ain't gonna lie to you, but I'm doing some today. That's all that matters. Also did some flexi rod curls yesterday, so honestly that worked perfectly because my custom is Medusa. Now that vlog, get the vibes. And apparently there's gonna be a lot of pictures being taken, so I'm excited. We gotta eat. But let's do my makeup first. Okay? Okay.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she one of mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumaye, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Ain't it pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunner till I die.
Balenciaga, party back and all these fuck. It's big bags, bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, working back, party back and all you bitches fuck. If it's up, 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 stop, up, 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 broke boys pussy. Face bomb, ass tight, back, step of shack, higher. Jury on me, flashlight, I've been listening, started chill. And I'm with that.
Damn, son, where'd you find who?
I'd rather be
eyeshadow. And I get the black on my lips. This is my butter gloss in tiramisu. And I really like how it highlights the pink part of my lips. With my clothes on. I don't know if you want to see that or y'all want to just see after. I'm putting on, I'm gonna show y'all. Should I do my edges first? Yeah, I should. Okay, so this is the dress I'm wearing. I'm gonna just like lotion up real quick. Probably put some body glitter on. And boom. Okay, so I got my dress on. I'm gonna show you guys when I have it all the way on. I got some accessories. Just literally goes around your arm. I'm gonna put it like up kind of high. These snake little thing. I'm gonna just show you. I'm gonna put it on. This cool cuff. I like it. Both shoes, but my toes aren't painted. Like, should I stop at the store and paint my toes? Like, that's so crusty though. Like, you gotta do what you gotta do. Honestly, if I want to just go straight back and have that on, or like side part. Okay. Are you ready? Final product. I feel like I want to get a better video for y'all when I get there. Mm-hmm.